Hello, beautiful people. It's Robyn Thomas here with Resemble Me by Robyn. Welcome back to my channel. Let's hop right into it. I am going to be washing my braids and creating this wavy, crinkly style. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Before we get started with this actual wash today, I wanted to show you that I had two braids that were telling me it was time to go. That one has actually already put a little bit of hair out, and that one is getting close to, just because of manipulation and stuff. So to help with further damage, I just took it out. Okay, this is a no judgment, or this is a judgment-free zone. So my scalp is like, oh my gosh. So before I went out of town, I went out of town for like 10 or so days, no, 12 days. Before I went out of town, I was religiously moisturizing my hair and scalp, and I was washing my hair weekly. And I know that I can't do anything but that, and I did that. That as in not continuously taking care of my scalp while I was out of town, and that is the result of that. So here is going to be a super thorough wash day. I'm going to be starting by putting my gloves on. I always do that to help not cause any damage while I'm washing my hair due to like nails and stuff like that. So I'm starting with the peppermint and aloe soothing scalp tonic. This is just going to go all over my scalp to help lift up some of that dandruff that is like stuck to my scalp. So this is just something I do when I'm in like desperate need of a extremely good wash. I'm rubbing that in, and I let that sit on for about 5 minutes after I rub it in. And then I just go ahead and start my wash day. I rinse it out. And me personally, yes, I wash my hair with all of my braids down. I really don't mind getting it like all of the braids wet. If you want to do it a different way, you can. I'll link some other videos of how I wash my braids to where they're not too heavy. I'll say that because it is one of the cons to this. The braids do become very heavy when you are washing it just in its free state and it's long like this. So I'm making sure I am saturating all of my scalp. I'm not necessarily worried about the braids, but I am worried about saturating all of my hair and my scalp, making sure my scalp and the hair in the braids are getting moisturized or are getting very, very wet, drenched, not just like misty wet, but I want it to be like it's a lot of water on my hair. And it's very important to saturate your hair with water before washing it first. If not, the shampoo and the conditioner and nothing else is going to work. You're not going to get the clean that you want to get. So after I take that time to make sure that my hair is drenched, I'm going to go in with the peppermint and aloe therapeutics anti-itch shampoo. Of course, my products I'm using are by Design Essential. As you see right there, I put it on the paddings of my finger, and I just make sure to focus on my scalp. I'm going through and making sure that my scalp is thoroughly clean. So I am taking my time. This is a short video, but this wash day took about 40 minutes. Normally 30 because of, but the extra 10 because of the braids I'm doing at the end to create the crinkle. Once I wash all of that out, you want to make sure you thoroughly wash that out. I'm going in with the avocado and almond moisturizing and detangling sulfate-free shampoo. So the first one was a cleansing shampoo, and now this one is a moisturizing shampoo. As you can see, this one suds up a lot more than the other one, and I use a lot less to get these results. Wash that thoroughly, making sure to focus on those areas that are phew. And then washing it out. So I just wanted to show y'all now how clean my scalp was compared to before. My goodness. Okay, so now I'm going in with the almond and avocado moisturizing and detangling conditioner. In these cooler months, I've been using a thicker conditioner that Design Essential has, and I am not focusing on my scalp. I'm focusing on my hair. So I put it on my hair and I let it sit for about 15 minutes. If I was in the shower, it'd be as long as I took my shower. But for this case, I had already taken a shower. Then I'm going to go in with my Roots Nut Free Hair and Body Oil. I've been using this one probably for the past, so I've had my braids in for 6 weeks at this time. So I've been using this one for the past probably 4 weeks. I started using it fairly soon after I put my braids in. I really love how fatty it is. So I just put it all over my scalp. I don't have a clip of that. It was terrible. So I just put it all over my scalp, and then I put some in the palm of my hands and ran it down the braids, or the shaft of the braids, to where my hair ends. Of course, there's no need to put it on the entirety of the braid, because then you just be wasting product. And then I didn't need to put any roots moisture mist on there, because I had just drenched my hair with water. So that served as my moisture. Okay. Now I'm going in with the Robyn Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion, and I am just braiding my hair down all the way to the ends. And what I want to say is, as this hair was drying, I realized it wasn't going to be as crinkly as I wanted it to be, because I ended also with cool water. So I ended with cool water to seal in the conditioner, like when I wash it out. And so after, when I realized it was almost dry and like the ends and stuff were kind of fraying out, I realized it wasn't gonna give me that sleek look that I wanted. So I went ahead and did my ends. I'll be sure to leave a video, an old video of how I do that. I use the exact same technique. And this is the end result of my braids. My scalp feels so much better and was literally screaming at me. Like, girl, you know you're wrong. You need to go ahead and clean my hair. And I'm like, you're right, you're right. And so these are light crinkles or waves. If you want it to be more defined, then you do smaller braids. I had 10 braids in total, so I had 5 on each side. If you want it to be a lot looser, then you use less braids. So it's all in the result that you want. Okay, well, that is my wash day. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate you. New subscribers, hello, hello, hello. We're on a new journey here. Those of you who are returning, thank you guys so much for coming back. I appreciate you, and I will see you all next time. Peace and blessings.